Emmanuel GB here from Postley team, and this is a quick demo of Postley. So here is the Postley dashboard, and having you as our user in mind, we made it super easy for anyone to launch successful campaigns in minutes, no matter your age, technical experience, or niche. Postley took us over 12 months to develop from the ground up, and we divided it into 3 simple steps. The first step is to search for winning ads in any niche to see what's working and what's not, so you don't spend countless hours testing ads or wasting thousands of dollars on ads that will not convert. Click on Ads Library to open our inbuilt and the most powerful ads library on the planet, with over 91 million ads from 203 countries and 15 million advertisers. Postley has the largest searchable database of Facebook and Instagram ads in the world right now. Using our unparalleled array of data and innovative search functionality, uncovering the best ads that you need to see becomes a simple task. So let's say we are into fitness, and we want to promote our fitness program. You can search by ad text, comment on the ad, advertiser name, URL, landing page URL, or even landing page text. Oh my god, now you can see that Postley Ads Library beats every other ad search tool out there. Just choose your metrics and enter a keyword. You can also narrow down your result to get the best performing ads by adding other filters like site type, gender, set the total likes or daily likes, media types, countries, language, ad button, and even the technology that particular ad is linked to. Technologies like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, Google Analytics, Instapage, Amazon, ActiveCampaign, I can go on and on. The possibilities inside Postley are endless. Now, there are hundreds of successful ads right here that you can model. And not only does Postley show you ads, it also comes with an inbuilt analytics to show you more details about the ads, like the target country, gender, and age. All these are huge deals you need to create your own successful ads. So after getting an idea on the perfect ad to create, let's head back to the dashboard to start the second step and other features. The second step is for you to replicate the exact winning ads inside Postley using our inbuilt, easy-to-use drag-and-drop image editor and social post scheduler to publish or schedule multiple post types for days, weeks, or months in just a few clicks. To start earning ads, click Ads Generator. You can start creating eye-catching ads creative from scratch or choose from our wide range of 500+ professional templates. In this video, I'll quickly create a new ad creative. Alright, I'm done with the customization. Let's dive into creating the actual campaign. We all know that every ad created on Facebook is actually a page post, so we'll have to create the exact campaign inside the Postley Social Post Creator. You can create 3 types of page posts inside Postley. Normal post with link, text, image, or video. You can create call to action posts with a button and link, and you can also create slide posts with images or videos. Let me show you how easy it is to use the different types of Smart Post Creator inside Postley. Postley was built with a Smart Post Scheduler to schedule all your posts for days, weeks, and even months. Click Later, choose Time Zone, and set time. Click Post to schedule your post. Now that I've published my campaign, the last step is to create an automated rule that will track and maximize the engagement of my best performing page posts and convert them into ads on 100% autopilot. Click Auto Boost. You can start creating your automation by entering your campaign name. Select the Facebook page which we just made the post. Select the type of post you want to automatically promote. You can just X out the ones you don't want. Since I just created an image post, I'll select only photos as the type of post I want to promote. Enter the number of posts you want to promote at any given time. This is the best way to split test your campaign inside Postly. You can also select the time a post was made. With this functionality, you can start profiting from page posts you made a long time ago. You can even select posts published today, yesterday, last 3 days, last 7 days, last 14 days, last 30 days, or even lifetime. Since we don't want to promote every single page post, then we have to filter our posts to only promote page posts that have organic engagement. This will allow you to spend less on ads and pay less for clicks because it already has some organic engagement. So I'll select "and." As the filtering condition, and for the condition to trigger, I'll select likes as the metrics and then set the value to be greater than 20. There are over 30 metrics inside Postly to help you refine your filters to only promote the ones that have high engagement. You can always add multiple conditions to your filters. Before moving on to the next step, there is another great way to set up the auto-boosting condition based on the keyword inside the post text. Choose post text as the metrics and enter the keyword to trigger. Now what this condition means is that any image post that has over 20 likes and over 10 comments with the keyword filters in the post text from the Facebook page we selected and was created today should be triggered and promoted automatically by Postly AI. So with the rules set up, click Next to continue. Each auto-promoted page post will be created as a new ad set within one campaign. Select an ad account that'll be used to promote your post. You can always create a new campaign or choose an existing campaign from your Facebook ad manager. Postly allows you to choose an objective for your campaigns like conversion, brand awareness, traffic, post engagement, reach, and video views. You can also set campaign budget optimization. After setting up the campaign, click Next to continue. Each new post that is auto-boosted creates a new ad set. You can start by entering the ad set name and choose your target audience. This is one of the most interesting features inside Postly, and this is where Postly blows everything completely out of the water and changes the game for all marketers who find it difficult to turn every ad dollar into a huge profit. You can select an existing custom or lookalike audience from your Facebook ad account, or click the Create button to create a new audience using Postly Hidden Interest Finder. You can start by giving your audience a name, choose the location you want to target, select the age range and gender you want to target. This is where all the magic happens inside Postly. For example, since we want to promote our fitness program, let's enter fitness as a keyword for the audience we want to target. Postly was built from the ground up, and having our users in mind, we developed an AI infrastructure that allows you to find and target hyper-relevant audiences that are hidden inside Facebook Ad Manager. This will help you to 10 times your advertising profit using Postly. If you're still using Facebook's targeting system, you're actually wasting money because Facebook only shows the first 20 to 30 results in their targeting system. Let me show you a practical example. Since the keyword is fitness, let me enter the same keyword inside Facebook's targeting system. Now you can see that we only have limited data of 20 to 30 interest suggestions, but inside Postly, we have hundreds of hyper-relevant audiences that we can easily target, and this gives you an unfair advantage over your competition. You can choose as many audiences as you want or do a multiple audience search by entering another keyword. Not only that, but Postly also gives you an unlimited number of highly related interest suggestions based on your interest search. With this, you'll get 10 times more targeted audience. After choosing your audiences, you can continue with the rest of the settings. While developing Postly, we had a special team who were always making massive research on how to make Postly the best Facebook and Instagram tool on the planet. So we added an audience template engine which takes off the guesswork and stress of finding a highly profitable audience to target. And we all know that audience targeting is the most important element in advertising. Right inside Postly, we have over 500 well-researched, tested, and highly profitable done-for-you audiences from over 50 niches that you can easily target and 10 times your profit. We have a bunch of tested, done-for-you audiences for digital marketing agencies and local businesses. This feature alone makes Postly as profitable as possible. You can click Save to continue. Now what this does is that I save the audience inside Postly so that you can easily select the audience from here or reuse it for future campaigns. Now you can continue by setting your budget and schedule. Click Next to continue. For tracking settings, you can turn it on or off. If turned on, Postly will ask you to enter an email you want to notify, and you'll get a notification anytime a post meets the auto-boosting condition and is boosted, so you're always in the know of how your campaign is doing. Click the Save role to create your campaign. Now what happens is that our AI will check your Facebook page every 24 hours in a day for any post that meets the auto-boosting condition and boost it on 100% autopilot. Postly is the very first software to come to our marketplace that gives you a high level of flexibility and allows you to get insane results when it comes to Facebook and Instagram traffic. These are just a few features. Postly has a wide range of features like Top Audience Finder that helps you to discover the best and worst performing audience across all your campaigns, so you can scale and focus only on the winning campaigns. Here's how it works. Select the ad account you want to analyze, and then choose the metrics you want to use to compare all of your audiences against. You can select up to 10 different metrics at once, then choose how far back you want to analyze in the time frame. Once you are in the audience report, you can analyze your best and worst performing audience by the metrics. We have Caption Creator, which helps you to create and save winning captions, and you can reuse them to create powerful posts or ads in seconds. Here's how it works. Enter the caption title, enter your best captions, and click Save. We also have an artificial intelligence hashtag generator, which allows you to create viral hashtags to increase post or ads visibility by 5 times. Here's how it works. Just enter any topic you want to generate a hashtag on, choose how many hashtags you want to generate at a time, and then hit the Generate button. Our AI will generate viral hashtags for you in a few seconds. You can generate as many hashtags from different topics in one campaign. Now let me show you how you can use the hashtag and caption you've created. Choose any type of post you want to create. You can choose the saved hashtag and caption from here. Plus, you can also save any caption with this icon. Postly was built from the ground up, and we did not leave any feature behind. So we added Workspace Management, where you can manage multiple accounts for yourself or clients and charge them hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Plus, you can also add a team member to each workspace. Here's how it works. Click Agency and select Workspace. Enter workspace name and slug. You can choose to connect a Facebook account to the workspace yourself or request your client to connect their account. Just enter your client's email and Postly will generate a mail and send it to your client with a link to connect their Facebook account. Postly will notify you once an account is connected. You can also add a team member to this workspace. Click on Team, add a new team member, and enter team member details. Select Role and select Workspace. Postly will generate login credentials and send them to the team member's email address. Postly is just the perfect tool for any marketer. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to our support and we will be glad to help you.